Earlier today, we saw more sunshine than what we did yesterday. But look at this, Hollister, 15-mile-per-hour winds. You saw sunshine today, more sunshine, but a north breeze kept some cooler air just funneled into Gilroy, Morgan Hill, Hollister. Those areas struggled to get out of the 50s today. You had a short period of some low 60s, and that was about it. Everyone else saw some 60s, even some 70s today. We'll go over those high temperatures coming up at 6 o'clock, but now you can see still some low 60s. So of course the sun is going down. There's that little chill out there. But again, off towards our east in the Central Valley, you can see that fog bank just hanging out there. And some of that did develop once again in the valley, in our valley, in the Salinas Valley. And that's possible again today, but more patchy. But there is going to be some areas of some patchy dense fog possible once again along 101, not as widespread as the last couple of days, but still possible. For tomorrow, we do have some more sunshine. Warmer temperatures getting into the upper 60s to mid 70s. Really nice day. Looks like the peak of the warmth is going to be for tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, Thanksgiving itself. But that's also going to come with some chilly overnights. So starting off with temperatures in the upper 30s to 40s once again. Up in the Bay Area, look at that. 69 for San Jose, 70 Los Gatos, into the Santa Cruz Mountains, 70s once again. Now, this period of 70s, though, is only for an hour, maybe two, meaning the rest of your day, most of your day, is going to be in the 60s, but upper 60s up in the mountains. 70 degrees possible around Santa Cruz coastline to Capitola, Aptos 67, and then into our inland communities. I do expect more sunshine, not as much of that north breeze. Hollister, you could get into the 70s tomorrow, maybe some upper 60s for much of the day. And then in the Salinas Valley, look at that, 70s sunshine once that little bit of morning fog moves out of there. 70 degrees possible for Monterey, Carmel by the Sea, 72 Carmel Valley. Today, Carmel Valley reached 70 degrees. But again, that was only for an hour or two, and then it cooled down. And we are going to see some beautiful weather into Thanksgiving. You notice our turkey now has changed into pumpkin pie as we are getting closer and planning our menu. And the weather, well, I don't think it's going to be a problem locally. You do see a few clouds possible for Friday into Saturday, but that cool down we are looking at, not looking too significant. I mean, it'll bring us back to average, but doesn't look like anything major is on the horizon in our weather, and that's good news for all the holiday travel locally.
Okay, very good. Thanks, Gina.